manufacturing for Wisconsin is big, let alone just the Tri-County area. I mean, we have such a demand for skilled labor that we can't keep up. Can't keep up. It's so important. Sure, my name's Bart Wood. I'm an instructor at the Electro-Mech program, also an instructor for the Industrial Electrical Apprenticeship. Actually, I was working my way through college doing maintenance, and I'm originally a farm kid, so one thing led to another, and I found out I was good at this, so I just continued. Ooh, that's tough to describe. As the name says, anything electrical and anything mechanical. So if it's got a nut, a bolt, a wire, a screw, hydraulics and pneumatics, so you name it, it covers it. They're going to be busy. Since we do cover such a wide range of subjects, they're going to find some subjects that they don't like, but they're going to find some subjects that they do like. So they're going to get a little taste of everything. We have motor training labs, we have PLC labs, we have hydraulic labs, we have pneumatic labs, we have hands-on wiring of home labs, you name it. Seems like we've got it. It's one thing to read about it in a book. It's a completely different animal when you get your hands on it, and some students learn better that way actually. So you get to read about it, talk about it, and actually get your hands on it. Oh, the sky's the limit. Where do you want to go? Do you want to stay in the tri-state area? Do you want to go out of state? We have a company that just visited us last week. They're offering travel to all over the world to install, fix, and maintain equipment. So we have businesses contacting us weekly, it seems like, wanting to come in and speak to our students. Some companies have been a partner of Southwest Tech for a long time, and we know those companies and we're familiar with those companies, but we're getting new ones every day. We've had 100% job placement for the past 5 years, so getting a job is not a problem. Not a problem.
Yeah.
Here we go. Make it real. Oh yeah.
Ta-da.
That's nice.
Hi, my name is Jorn Varo, and I am one of the instructors of the Electro-Mechanical Technology Program here at Southwest Tech. For me, I knew that with my first degree of electromechanical technology that I would have no problem finding a job. And throughout my career, I have been a tech for numerous companies, and I just decided to come here and teach because I just want to encourage other people to follow some of the same steps, I guess, that to lay out the road work for them, that there is opportunity out there. Well, they would learn the basics of electricity, and then we have a little bit of, or a lot of mechanicals, anything from building robots to bolting on components or anything electrical, relays, switches, motors. Again, anything with manufacturing, they would at least have some experience before they leave here. They are the type who likes to work with their hands. They're interested in the way things work and how they can influence how things work. The job market looks very good, from maintenance to programming to anything from our graduates could be working in the field to rubbing elbows with the president. I mean, the gamut of opportunities for our students is just enormous.